saw that.
Where's Chuck? What do you say? What do you say, Beeler?
I know. Hey,
you like our chips?
You bet ya.
You do?
Yes.
How about a joke, Gord?
yeah.
True story. It's got to be a one-liner.
No, this is a good one. USA to win the World Cup.
Hey! That's not it. Say something funny, Bob.
Paul Campbell.
No, that's the best you can do?
That's the only thing I can do.
That's not
funny.
very funny.
shall we?
Okay.
I talked to Marty about going to prom.
Are you?
You know what you're doing, Paul Campbell?
Yeah, I do. I'm recording. Anything that might happen.
Joke would be when, after the hospice golf tournament, John Rich asked me if we saw any snakes. And I said, no, we didn't see snakes, but we saw a rolling buffalo. That's after he fell down on the first hole and rolled all the way across the cart path.
I saw him go down one time too.
Oh, here.
And if it wasn't for
the bucket of Corona was him.
a belly, he would have nailed his chin really bad.
I told you to catch that. Yeah. Hey, Larry.
Does it matter?
How are we going to pay Nick? I'll give you $10.
No. Hey, but you give him a little tip on it too.
Well, of course.
Hey, Bob, we're not clear on it. What does a buffalo sound like?
Keep walking.
How about a chicken? How about a pig? What's a pig? How about a pig?
That got melted right in, didn't it?
What about a pig over here?
What are you trying to say, Paul?
What's a pig sound like?
We're fighting words.
What's a pig sound like?
2-0. All right. Tyler, what sound does a pig make?
Yeah, that's good. That's very good.
Yes, I can tell.
At Acapulco.
Right, yeah.
Correct.
And he's going to read the
But he
menu.
wants me to read what everybody had. But we all had Mexican food.
Yeah, that's
right.
Read the menu.
This is just the calories. Carne asada. Chicken enchiladas. Tacos de la Calle.
That's me.
Was that buffalo?
That's buffalo.
7,000 calories.
Hey, brilliant.
Picadillo beef.
We have obviously given the menu to the correct person to read. I'll read it, Larry.